21st century skills are essential for children to thrive in a rapidly evolving world. These skills go beyond traditional academic knowledge and prepare children to adapt, innovate, and succeed. India's national education policy encourages experiential learning, which includes project-based, art-integrated, and sports-integrated activities to enhance creativity. Imagine a thriving learning environment in which every child can dream, create, and innovate. Welcome to Pratham's Creativity Club. Creativity clubs aim to foster creativity, communication, collaboration, and problem-solving skills in children in the 10 to 14 age group through thematic challenges in domains such as the visual arts, performing arts, STEM, environment, and sports. The goal is to spark curiosity and learning through fun, interactive activities preparing children for school, work, and life. The Pratham Shah Prodigy Innovation Center has structured the program around the X framework. First, children are exposed to different topics through a variety of content. Next, children explore their interests through creative workshops. Children then work in groups to share ideas and experiences and experiment with experiential learning. Children are encouraged to exchange and share their work through peer learning. The program combines hands-on projects with physical materials and interactive digital content. These clubs are community-led, where youth volunteers facilitate the running of the clubs while pursuing their own learning goals through remote mentorship, digital learning courses and workshops.
व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में 3 थीम्स आती है, उसमें से हम बच्चों को दिखाते हैं तीनों थीम्स के बारे में।
एंड जो बच्चों को पसंद आता है वो चूज करते हैं
और फिर उनके बच्चों को एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, फिर जो करना उन्हें पसंद होता है उसकी वीडियो दिखाते हैं उन्हें।
बच्चे एक्टिविटी करते हैं, एक्टिविटी करने के बाद फिर हम लोग प्रथम पोर्टल पर जाके उस पिक्चर्स मॉडल को सबमिशन करते हैं।
Using an all-sum-few approach, children progress from community projects to advanced workshops and expert interactions supported by collaborations.
बच्चे जो है रचनात्मक नए नए आयाम सीख रहे हैं।
ये जो गतिविधि है इस स्वास्थ्य पथ के लिए, मानसिक रूप से विकास के लिए भी बच्चों के लिए बहुत ही बेहतरीन है।
The program operates across these 13 states. Since 2022, over 13,000 communities and 2,000 schools have registered for creativity clubs. More than 1.25 lakh children have benefited from the program. More than 20,000 youth volunteers and 2,000 teachers have enrolled themselves as creativity champions. When children learn today, they lead tomorrow. Together, we create a better future.